So we got winners finals here. iModerz versus SDX. A matchup as old as time. See what we'll go game one. You know, honestly, a lot of these games end up going to Final D. Yeah. And it's like Final D every game almost. We're going to go right into it here. iModerz, SDX. These guys have played an insane amount of sets here. Used to be a big back and forth. Lately, SDX has definitely pulled far ahead. iModerz over here trying to prove that just because SDX is hot right now, don't forget the boy. So we'll see what happens. We're seeing a lot of shadow balls coming out from SDX. Little opening there from iModerz, but he definitely was on the losing end of that. That's a very good conversion by SDX to sort of flip the script on him. Like we saw iModerz get something off of that initial conversion, right? But then a bunch of fares, a lot of damage later, and iModerz is worse for wear from getting an opening. That's insane. SDX, now he's gonna go back. Wow. All right. Yeah, you know iModerz is definitely gonna shine that there. He knows. But you gotta be careful though. You shine that shadow ball, and you two can come right back with his own reflector, and then we have sort of a deadly game of ping pong there. We've seen that before. But SDX is really just he's waiting for an opportunity to punish. He's waiting for iModerz to do something so that he can go in and use that punish game of his, because it is very clean. And an up throw, that's gonna take it. Very good coverage on the get up from SDX there, just waiting for iModerz to do something. Gets a nice grab there. iModerz only 58% on SDX. He'll be back. SDX opting to just, wow, and the patience by SDX. He knows iModerz is gonna get up, and then he spaced himself for the down tilt. Good job there. Of course he's gonna get that back air. You can't just stand in that spot on ledge. Now SDX is he's feeling himself a little bit with the drag down and the dare, and that's it. iModerz getting dumpstered. Game one by SDX. That Fox recovery, man, I tell you what, you can't, what you gonna do about that? Jesus. Hello. You wanna commentate? All right. All right, we have.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the grind.
Turn them headphones
21.
off. The grind 21. Turn them headphones off.
Oh, you're right.
Turn them. Which one's loud as hell?
They are very loud. All right, game number 2.
Yeah, game number 2. It was actually dirt nasty from SDX. Got him with a dare off stage to end the game there. SDX looked to be in the driver's seat.
You know, SDX, he's always...
Oh, another dare.
Another one?
Yeah, all right, he's living, though. He's living. Good recovery by iModerz there.
Sure, he's definitely not going to lose that stock that early. But SDX
I don't know, man.
always
That's
looking
spooky.
For that style. He's always want those style points, bro. That's how you know he's in your head.
Yeah.
He's feeling himself.
I mean, Fox's recovery is mad exploitable, so, like, if you can do it, why wouldn't you? You know what I mean?
See, you'd be charging that up for like 20 years. You know, why not? Get that spike if you could. Nice jab to, what was that, down tilt?
Yeah.
I like that. I like that. And now, SDX, great wall of shadow balls. Once when SDX got that wall up, like fairs and shadow balls, bro, he's in his face.
Okay, enough down tilts? Do you think he's just doing that, or do you think he's trying to stale it?
What, the up tilts? Because not hitting anything doesn't steal it.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh,
well, up
you see
throw.
that edge cancel to nair to up throw?
What a beaut.
That was cute.
What a beaut.
That was nice.
He tries to do that all the time, and you know, sometimes he misses those and he looks like a friggin' goofball.
But when you do get it, especially when the platform is like moving,
Yeah.
that's props.
They don't move that fast.
They don't.
Oh, wow.
He wanted that.
Yeah, he
snipe.
wanted the big snipe there. Not gonna get it.
Not at all. iModerz is still living. Is that S?
No, he had his jump. He was taking a trip to the depths of the blast zone.
To blast zone heights. I see you.
Blast zone heights.
Yeah.
I was looking at apartments there. I'm always around there anyway, so I might as well.
I feel the rent's very cheap.
Ooh, and a fair
the
takes
fair.
it. SDX is looking dominant right now.
It's looking good. And the Upstate PR just came out. SDX newly crowned #1. And he's showing boys.
Has he ever been #1?
In Upstate? No, I think this is his first time. I think this is the first season San hasn't been #1 in ever. So big accomplishment for him.
Well, iModerz was #1 for a little bit.
In Upstate?
Yeah, because San was #0.
Yeah, that is true.
Which is dumb.
Just the reason to have an 11th spot. That's no longer existent because SDX is looking very clean, showing boys, hey, I'm #1. This is why. I'm a winners finals, baby. The first ever MISFIRE. Shout out to Fun China for running this.
Man, this tournament changes names like every month. I don't even know, bro.
I mean, I just know it as the Fun China. I don't know what the X stands for, to be honest. Extravaganza.
I don't know. Well, FCS was a Fun China Smash, and this is like FCX was like
FCX.
Fun. I think X because it was cooler.
Okay.
Ooh, all right, missing the footstool disable there.
Now, maybe a couple months ago, I'd say SDX will go for the footstool disable if he's feeling himself. But I think at this point, he just kind of something he just throws out on neutral if he has the proper setup for it.
I always tell him I never see you do it, and he's like, "What do you mean? I do it all the time." Another edge cancel there.
Look at clean.
It's so clean. It looks so cool. How do you? It's fast. It's clean. It's crisp.
True.
It's a lot of adjectives.
And he charged that upbeat a little bit too high. He got really punished for that. iModerz have to make some changes to his gameplay if he wants to take this game.
Yeah, he's definitely not looking. He's not looking that great at all.
Now, fair to down tilt. Oh, if he was facing the right way, that would probably connected. SDX, he's really just exploiting Fox. All of his weaknesses, bro.
He knows, man. He knows the Fox matchup very well.
Oh, yeah, these two played so many times. To the point where, SDX, he just knows what to do when it comes to fighting this Space Fox creature.
Yeah, because it's not just player. It's not just character matchup. It's player matchup and all that. You sort of know. And big downer. iModerz able to get out of that sticky situation, but he's looking like he's on his last winner's stock here. SDX, all he needs. Oh, I thought he was gonna go for the grab, but he gets the tipper pause to the jab. iModerz still alive. Oh.
No, he didn't want to do that.
Dude,
you see the smile on his face. He didn't want to do that, but
you rolled into it. You had so much time to not roll into it.